Hello and welcome. In this quick video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch. The first thing we'll need to do is enable that option, and you can do that on the Apple Watch or on your iPhone. We'll start with the Apple Watch. What we'll do is click on the digital crown, go to Settings, then General, and scroll down this list until you get to Screenshots. And here you can enable the screenshots. Now we're ready to take a screenshot. What we need to do is press the crown and the side button simultaneously. So let's give that a try. There we go, that was a screenshot. It makes the sound of the camera, and the screenshot itself is saved to your iPhone in your photo reel. So let's go to Photos and have a look. And as you can see, here are some screenshots that I've taken. Now, if we want to change that same setting within the Watch app, let's open it up and take a look where it is. We go to My Watch, just in the bottom left, scroll down a little bit to General again, and we scroll again and keep going until we find Enable Screenshots, and we can toggle off or toggle on as need be. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, really appreciate if you can give the video a quick thumbs up, because it helps me out so much. Thank you very much for choosing my video once again, and I wish you a great day ahead.